welcome to our channel. I'm Steph.
And I am Michelle.
And we hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a very happy New Year. We are excited this time of year.
Yes.
You'll explain why.
Well, after Christmas, I just have this urge to clean and declutter my house. And I don't know, maybe it's just all the extra stuff we bring in at Christmas.
Old toys. Yeah.
It's just all of that. I just need a clean house. And it's like the day after Christmas, I'm ready to just clean and organize. And so today we have got pantry organization on our brains. And so we have gathered a whole bunch of ideas from other bloggers for the way they organize and make their pantry just so efficient plus beautiful. So stay tuned and you are in for a treat.
Be sure to watch till the end too and comment below what your favorite idea was and we'll share ours as well.
Yes, and you're going to find some of the best ideas at the very end of the video.
One of the most important areas to implement great organization and storage ideas is in the kitchen. Without a doubt, it's the busiest room in your home. Even if you don't have a dedicated pantry space, in this video, you're going to find clever ideas for creating pantry storage and organization in your kitchen. And we want to give a special thanks to our amazing blogging friends for sharing their creative ideas with us today. Certainly one of the most important elements when organizing your pantry is the containers. Let's take a look at Michelle from Thistle Key Lane at her beautiful pantry. She has used clear glass containers to organize her pantry. And especially if your dedicated pantry area is small, you want to choose your containers wisely so they don't waste space. And top on my list is using clear containers. Not only can you easily see when you're getting low on items, but you can also quickly see what is stored in each container. Next, it really helps to choose uniform containers, and that is exactly what Melissa at Polished Habitat has done in her pantry. I love how she has her baking supplies all organized and her others are all in similar styled containers, and that helps cut down on visual clutter. The next tip is to scrap the packaging, and that is exactly what Rachel at Craving Some Creativity has done in her pantry. Clearly, when you lose the packaging, you create more space. And in addition, your food will stay fresh longer. And I've got a little tip for you. When filling your containers, mark the expiration date with a dry erase marker on your container. When space is at a premium, use modular containers. It is just so smart. And that is exactly what Emily at Small Stuff Counts did. Look at this beautiful pull-out baking organization. She has utilized every square inch of storage. Reusing, repurposing, and recycling is just plain smart. Take a look at these vintage oversized mayonnaise jars that Colleen at Just Paint It blog has repurposed into pretty pantry storage with a faux etched label. Are you enjoying this video? Hey, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I also love to use pretty baskets to organize my pantry, and I love what Jessica at Jessica Welling Interiors has done in her pantry. Unlike clear containers, baskets can be used to hide visual clutter. Sorting like items in baskets makes for great pantry organization. Another way to kind of hide some of that clutter that you may have in your pantry is to use plastic storage bins, and that is what Rachel at Craving Some Creativity has done. Certainly, this pantry of hers is so pleasing to the eye, and it starts with these uniform plastic containers used to corral items from canned goods to snacks. We have another idea from Maria at Simple Nature Decor blog, and that is storing produce in items like these mesh baskets or just other baskets. Produce like onions, garlic, potatoes, citrus, fruits, and tomatoes need airflow around them to prevent an accumulation of moisture, which can lead to spoilage. So generally, a pantry is dark and cool, and this will also help them to last longer. And I think these mesh dollar store trash cans are a great way to organize produce in your pantry. And I've got a little tip for you. You want to store your onions and potatoes away from each other. They produce an ethylene gas, which will cause them to ripen quicker. Another great way to keep your pantry organized is to incorporate crates. Once again, reusing and repurposing old crates is a great storage option for your pantry. And Paula at Virginia Sweet Pea uses a variety of vintage items to keep her pantry neat and organized. Of course, we love budget-friendly pantry organization ideas, and using dollar store containers to organize this pantry from Maria at Simple Nature Decor blog keeps this makeover on budget. To make your pantry more efficient, create zones. For example, a lunch packing zone, a breakfast zone, a snack zone. Not only does it make it easier to pack a lunch, for example, but it also streamlines meal preparation. And that is exactly what Jessica at Jessica Welling Interiors has done in her pantry. Next up, let's talk about spice organization. Surely keeping spices neat and organized in a kitchen or pantry can be a challenge. I love these alphabetized spices from Jessica at Jessica Welling Interiors, and they are so easily accessible with these magnetized containers. Keeping spices neatly labeled is definitely the key to keeping them organized. I'm sure that we've all bought a spice or two that we didn't need because we couldn't find it. This idea is from Chelsea at Making Manzanita. This next idea for spice storage and organization is from Leslie at Feet Under My Table. This DIY rolling spice cabinet is a chef's dream. It's huge, and yet it takes up very little space in her kitchen. Plus, there is bonus storage on the other side for cookbooks. The links for all of these great ideas that you are seeing will be found in the description section with links to each of these blogs, so you can see more of their great ideas. Clearly, labeling is the key to maintaining pantry organization. Not only labeling the containers, but I also like to label the shelf as well. Then there is no excuse as to where it needs to be returned. If you have access to a digital cutter, you can get a free pantry label SVG files from Shani at Sunshine and Munchkins. And if you'd like to create your own custom cut labels, Emily at Small Stuff Counts will walk you through the entire process. Even though appliances are not food, I do love this idea from Shani at Sunshine and Munchkins. I feel that the pantry is a great place to keep small appliances organized. Are you getting some great ideas from these amazing pantries? Hey, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more ideas. I also love this idea of adding risers to your pantry shelves. Canned goods become more accessible, which will result in less waste. And I think this is just smart pantry organization from Cindy at DIY Beautify. Here's another smart pantry organization idea from Michelle at Thistle Key Lane. She uses hooks to make her vertical space more effective in her pantry. This wall area was once wasted space, but with a few simple hooks, you can see how much additional storage is gained. Another area in a pantry that is difficult to organize is corners. But with a simple turntable, items are efficiently organized and easily accessible. This idea is from Kim at Exquisitely Unremarkable. If your pantry space is difficult to access and really needs some organization ideas, consider installing pull-out shelves like Jessica at Jessica Welling Interiors has done in her kitchen. Pull-out shelves are worth every penny. No more items lost in the back of a cupboard or shelf, and no more gymnastics trying to find what you're looking for. Check out this great idea from Suzanne at H2O Bungalow. She has made the wall space in her pantry much more functional with these small wire baskets hanging from iron rods, and I just think this is brilliant pantry organization. The rod also allows for additional hooks for apron storage, or, the sky's the limit what you could hang off of these hooks. Can you see a way that you could implement this idea into your pantry organization? Check out this clever idea from Erin at Practical Whimsy Designs. She has created chip storage using clips attached to a board and mounted this board into her pantry wall, which was previously unused space. Put your pantry door to work like Nancy at Artsy Chicks Rule did in her pantry. She has gained all this additional storage by installing a storage rack on her door. However, there is one more great idea inside this pantry. Take a look a little closer just below the pantry sign. The wall is sloped, yet this space is still utilized with wire baskets attached to the wall. Brilliant idea. Look at this clever idea from Chas at Chas Crazy Creations. Can you imagine the possibilities of what you could store in a shoe organizer hung on your pantry door? I think this is creative, inexpensive, and effective. If your current pantry layout just isn't working for you, do what Cindy at DIY Beautified did. She gutted her pantry and built a new and more functional shelves. Now she has pantry storage and the organization that she needed. I am in love with this amazing transformation by Ashley at Handmade Haven. She took a small pantry and turned it into a mini butler's pantry. And I think I love this so much because I have always dreamed of having a butler's pantry. The lower shelves of the original pantry were removed and new, more efficient shelves installed with a butcher block countertop, creating a zone for breakfast preparation. Every inch of this pantry is utilized, and it is so beautiful. So what do you do if you don't have a pantry? Do what Shannon at Fox Hollow Cottage did. Make your own simple shelves in a nook. To me, it just looks like this space was meant to be a beautiful pantry. And I think this pantry is so beautifully organized, it deserves to be seen. Another great idea if you don't have a pantry is to repurpose a vintage cabinet. That's exactly what Medina at Grillo Designs did. Not only is this cabinet so beautiful, but it has tons of storage. Without a dedicated pantry space, Emily from Small Stuff Counts created this beautiful, organized small pantry in a cupboard. Her space is extremely efficient and everything is easy to find and right at her fingertips. Make your pantry beautiful by installing an amazing wallpaper, just like Medina at Grillo Designs has done here. A touch of wallpaper will elevate the look and feel of your pantry. Are you inspired to reorganize and create a beautiful pantry in your kitchen? I know I certainly am. There were some amazing ideas here, and I really want to incorporate some of these into my pantry. In fact, the wheels are churning in my head right now, and I'm trying to figure out a way of making my pantry a butler's pantry. Leave us a comment and let us know what your favorite idea was for organizing pantries and what you plan on doing to improve the efficiency and the storage in your pantry. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.